honeys, and welcome to today's video. Literally, guys know that it's been a minute since I actually reviewed a product. I really love to review products, and there's been a while since I did that because I really haven't bought so much products because I don't know why I haven't actually. I'm a product junkie. I'm just trying to use everything that's behind me before I buy new ones. So today we're going to be reviewing this product from Shea Moisture. It's the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. So let's get into this video. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, sis, why aren't you? Tell me, why aren't you subscribed yet? Please do something on the bell button so you know every time I post a video. So now let's get to it.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
I'm going to be trying this today. My hair is freshly washed and not detangled. It's kind of wet, but it has been drying out because I've been talking a lot. So let's start with this section first. I mean, it's not so damp anymore, so you guys know what we always do: apply water. Normally, you guys, as I always say, always apply your deep conditioner in the shower. Always. So this is our bad boy here. It smells really nice. It smells like Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It smells like shea butter. It smells like there's something that is really scenty in it that I can't really place. Something is very scenty. I don't know what it is yet, but let me just apply it first to see how it is. It is brown. It's like a pudding. To apply this to my hair to see how well this works. So first of all, I want to say that this product actually has sleep, because my hair isn't detangled at all, and now my hair is really literally melting in my hand. Like, the knots are actually melting off easily. Like, my hair is being detangled very easily, which is a good thing, and actually makes my hair feel kind of soft already. I feel like it's too soon to judge, but my hair feels really soft, and my hair is also drying out. I think I might need to turn off the fan because my hair is drying out like so fast. You guys know I always finger detangle my hair. Another thing is I cut my hair because I was having color damage on my hair, so it needed to be cut. So I did cut it like 2 inches, 2.5 inches. I feel bad, but like, as what comes with color, after a while you might need to cut some ends off because, you know, things happen. That's life. That's color life of coloring your hair. At this point, I'm going to just speed up the process, and you know, I'm doing the same thing, applying so much water to my hair. Then applying this to my hair. This is the product, and then just detangle my hair. Make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled from the root to the end. From the ends to the root, I mean. Make sure it's fully detangled. Then after that, I'm just going to twist it up.
Is it so hard to let you go? You
So guys, I'm done applying this product all over my hair. I must say the moisture is so surreal. Like my hair feels really good. The water and the moisture, like applying so much water really worked with this product. So next thing we do is to put on a heat cap, whatever way you like to put heat in your hair. I use a steam heat cap. I don't know what this is really called. Okay, I forgot to actually mention or check the ingredients earlier. So the ingredients they're actually really quite good. Wow, like the top 5 are all natural and good for the hair. And then to the end, because you know that they always sneak in some chemicals at the end of the ingredients. It's pretty decent actually. Like it's pretty decent. Wow, Shea did this. Like this is actually really nice, and the price range is not so expensive. I bought it for 5,000 naira, and which is not bad. I'm going to leave for 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. Just 15 minutes, guys, and I'll be back. So I already rinsed out the deep conditioner from my hair, and my hair actually feels very strengthened but still moisture. It's actually a strengthen and restore treatment mask. So it gives moisture and also gives so much like protein. So it's like my hair is actually like a protein treatment, but like not really. My hair feels really good, and it still smells really nice. Oh, it smells like candy, shea butter candy. It smells really good. So I really do not have anything bad to say about the deep conditioner, to be honest. The only thing, like, I'm just thinking about something bad. I really do not have anything. My hair is soft. My hair feels stronger, but yet still very moisturized and soft. It has good sleep. Price point is very good, and yeah. So that's my review for this product. This product is actually, I'm going to give it like 9/10. The reason why I'm moving one from it is because of the size. It's 12 ounce, and normally we get up to like 16 ounce for the same amount of product. So this is actually not as much as I would have wanted it to be, but it's cool. We work with it. Probably just use smaller amounts, but it's actually really good. The only thing I'm going to just say just the size, but apart from that, this is like a banger. It's really good for the hair, and I actually recommend this product. Wow, like sis, this product is actually really good, and I actually recommend it. Like if you're actually out there and you ever see this, actually you can actually try it. And if you have tried it before, if you've used it before and you want to try it, let me know in the comment section, because this product is actually not bad. Like it's not bad at all. I wish I tried it earlier. Probably being a staple in my resume or something, but this is really cool. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed yet, subscribe, click on the bell button so you know every time I post a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.